Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to reset the user's password. And as you know, we learned previous lessons, previous tutorials, how to log in and register and log out. So I'm not gonna give the details of the login, log out, and register. So first of all, we should register to the system because we don't have any user. So we cannot change our password if we don't have any user. I'm gonna create a new user, 123 123 123 123, and let's sign up to the system. Now we are signed up to the system. Maybe you don't see it because we don't give any message. But when we refresh the database users table, we have this user inside our users table. And now let's go to login root. As you see, there is a login page here, and we can log into the system with our password. If we remember the password, we can log into the system. And hi, this is my email, and this is your home page. This is just fake. And let's log out to the system. And accidentally, we forgot our password. What are we gonna do? We should put a link here. I forgot my password. Let's do it. And I will add a link at the bottom of the form. And let's give a root name. Forgot password. I forgot my password. Let's refresh the page, and Laravel says you don't have forgot password root in your web PHP. Let's go to our web PHP and define our root here. Root get and forgot password. Now I'm gonna define this method inside login controller because I don't want to lose time. You can define it a new controller. You can create a new controller and you can put the all logic inside it. I'm not gonna lose time for now. And forgot password form. I will call my forgot password form. So I gave this name, and forgot password. Yes, let's define this method inside our login controller, and let's return our forgot password view. Let's refresh the page, and our link is appeared here. I forgot my password. When I click to my forgot password link, it went to the forgot password blade, but there's a problem here. You put a root name here, form action, so you don't have this root password blade, and you wait an email from the user to input here. So there is a form here, and we gave an action root here, password.email. So we should add it to our web PHP root post because we are gonna post this form. So we should define a post root here, forgot password, and login controller, forgot password, and name, sorry, and password email. Let's define this method inside our login controller. return view. No, sorry. We are gonna define our post email logic here. When the user input, sorry, let's refresh here. Forgot password. Enter your email address and we will send you a password link. When we write the email here and when we click the send button, Laravel will generate a link and send it to user's inbox. Yeah, when we write here the user's email and click the send button, it will try to send an email to the user. So let's write this logic inside this method. And I'm gonna copy all the logic from the Laravel documentation. So I put it here and let's request here. And there is a request object here and I added it. This piece of code is coming from the Laravel documentation, as I said, and I should import this password facade. Yeah, and everything is okay, it's almost okay. I'm gonna show you how to go on. And when I click the send, it says there is no password reset route. You should define it. Yeah, let's define our new route get reset password and sorry, let's put it comma login controller and reset password and name password dot reset. And now when I refresh the page, it will try to resend the email to the user with this generated reset link. Please wait before retrying. I can delete it because when you try to reset your link, it create a record, so we can delete it. And I'm gonna try again. Yeah, connection couldn't be established with host mailhog blah blah. So we didn't enter our email SMTP credentials, and we should configure our SMTP. You should just put env file, and there is mail credentials here. So let's my favorite simulate my favorite SMTP fake SMTP server is Mailtrap, and you can use Mailtrap for your local and testing environment. So it just simulating the email operations. And let's copy the Laravel credential documentation here, and you can copy it with this button, and I'm gonna write here. Yeah, I show you this information here. It's not important because I will generate all of the information again at the end of the you can reset credentials from here. So in the end of the tutorial, I will change my credentials. You shouldn't try to use it in your operations. And now when you click the send button, now we have the right SMTP credentials, so it will generate a reset password link and will send it to our inbox. So we will see it inside here. When I click the send button, it generated a new link and sent our email. So it has come here a few seconds ago, and let's click it. Yes, Laravel has generated this email for us. So there are some info here, and this password link, reset link, will expire in 60 minutes. And there's a button for resetting your password. I will just click reset password button, and let's see what happens. Bad method, reset password doesn't exist. Inside our login controller, we didn't put any logic inside reset password because we don't have any reset password method. Public function reset password and request. Maybe we can get token return view out reset password and token password update root is not defined. Let's define it. Root post password update password login controller and update password name. What was the name? Password dot update. And it is almost okay. Let's refresh it. Yeah, we got this. So when I click the reset button, I can reach this page. And when I come here, this is the change password page. When you write your email here, and you will write here if you write here a wrong email, it will not work. So it will not match with your record inside the password resets table. It stores your info here, so token and your email. If you entered here this information does not match this records, it will not update your password. So let's write here our password 123 was our previous password. So we will refresh it. I'm gonna write here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and when I click change my password, it will create an error. Yeah, it will generate an error because we don't have update password logic inside our controller. And let's go to login controller and put our logic here. Update password method. And I'm gonna copy this piece of code from Laravel documentation again and paste here. There are some undefined helpers here. There's a hash facade, and let's import it through the PHP Storm help, and str helper, the support, and password reset. It should be an event, yeah, out event. Let's import it, and all of these helpers imported, and now it should work. Yeah, let's try again. It can't find user email address again. Let's write it. change password. Yeah, your password has been reset. And now let's check it out here. And when I refresh this table, you will see this record will be disappearing, because when you're resetting your password operation completed, Laravel deleted this record. Yeah, it disappeared. When I go to users table, you will see my password hash will be changing. Yeah, it changed. And remember, token field has filled. Now let's try to log in with our new password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's sign in. Yeah, it's okay. I will share the link. There's a Laravel documentation, and you can see everything here and how to reset your user's password. And besides them, you can overwrite and customize your password reset link. You can manually can create a new reset link, and also you can overwrite password reset notification. We got a template here. You can customize it, you can change it according to your needs. So you can see the all details here. Thank you for listening to me. So good coding. Goodbye.